Can we start now or let's start now?
Yeah, we can start now.
Okay, good evening, everyone. Tonight we are going to learn about another one. But before we start the lesson, I think I should introduce myself. My name is Adiba. I'm from East Java, Indonesia, and I'm also a student in English education department. And now I'm in the last semester. Yeah, maybe want to be graduate soon. Okay. So we are going to talk about relative pronoun. So what is relative pronoun? Relative pronoun is uh, relative pronoun is a word that introduces relative clauses. These clauses give more information about a noun. They help connect the main clause and the additional information and yeah more clearly. And here the type of relative pronouns. So there are some type of relative pronoun. The first is who, replace the subject pronoun like I, she, he, we, and they. For example, this is the man who broke the windows. And whose so a possession or relationship. So we can for the example, she knew the family whose house we bought. And the next is whom replace the object pronoun like me, her, him, us, and them. For example, they have found the lady whom they want to interview. And the next is which. This is use clauses that begin with which are almost always non-restrictive. So, for example, my precious blue lamp, which was in the room, was broken. And the last is that clauses that begin with that are almost always restrictive clauses. For the example is the lamp that was in the room was broken. So this is type of relative pronoun. And the next is the function of relative pronoun. The first is connecting clauses. So they uh, relative pronoun connected clauses. They link the main clause and the relative clause for a smoother flow of information. For example, the book that you read is interesting. And my sister, who is an artist, lives nearby. So I think that's all about the definition and also the understanding about relative pronoun. And let's move on to practice. I mean like exercise because I just give like maybe short introduction, short explanation because I really like more you should do like some exercise. I think before we do exercise one, I think can you give more? Can you make a one sentence using this? Using who, whose, whom, which, all that. Maybe anyone want to be a volunteer? But sorry, I can't see you. I think. Wait. Maybe anyone to be volunteer?
Ibnu, Ibnu raise his hand.
Yeah, if not, can you make one relative pronoun, one sentence using a relative pronoun?
Okay, I will use who. Who. The um, the man. The man. No, I will not use the man. Um, the doctor who found my identity card was my uncle.
Sorry,
man-
can you again?
The doctor who found my identity card in the hospital was my uncle.
Wow, that's good. Okay, yeah, that's correct. And the next, thank you, Ibnu. Anyone to be a volunteer, or should I call the name?
Can I try, Adiba?
Oh yeah, you can try.
Okay, so I'm going to use Bruce, I think. Okay, let me try. Wait. Okay. The boy who's I'm sorry. Let me change it. Who, I think. Let me think. Okay, who? Okay. He who overcomes his anger tried to change himself. I think that.
Yeah, that is correct. Thank you, Nana.
Might I
And-
try?
Yeah, can you see?
Okay, I will choose which. The book which I borrowed from my friend is so interesting.
Yeah, that is correct. Using which? Okay, the next is. I think Miss Sarmila. Sarmila, can you try using that or whoosh? Hello? Sarmila. I think she is not here. I think let's move on to Miss Yumika. Using whoosh or that? Miss Yumika. No? Hello, Miss Yumika? Can you hear me? Miss Yumika? I cannot hear you clearly, actually. Maybe you can type it on the chat. Yeah, if you want to answer it using
Yeah.
that or which? Yeah.
Okay, which? I'm gonna use which pronouns. Pronounce which pronoun.
It's already done. Who's and that?
Who's?
Haven't yet.
Who's and that?
Who's and that? Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna use who's.
Hmm.
I need a girl whose car was parked in front of that supermarket.
I need a girl whose car.
I need a girl whose car was parked in front of that supermarket.
Okay. That's correct. Thank you. I think Miss Yumika or Sharmila want to try using that.
We have
Yumika.
new participant here. She is Selfie. Hello, Selfie. Welcome.
Yeah,
Hi, Miss Yumika.
you see, selfie. Hello.
Miss Yujian.
Yeah. Can you try to make a sentence about relative pronoun using that? like this example.
A sentence that use the word
you?
who, whom, whose, which, and that.
Yes. We already choose who and which. Who, which, and whose. Maybe you can choose whom and that to make sentence healthy.
Okay, the sentence is the woman who lives next door is a doctor.
Yeah, that is correct. Thank you. Thank you, Sophie. And next
You're
is
welcome.
because of that still not yet. So which one want to be a? There is someone want to be a volunteer. I think maybe Kayushi. Yeah. Or Nana. Or Miss Yumika.
Fine.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the dress that she wore was beautiful.
Yeah. That's it. Correct. Okay, thank you. And now on to the exercise one. So in here I have 10 exercise. So you get to fill the blank using who, whose, which, or whom, or that based on the sentence. Maybe anyone want to try first or not? Yeah. Yeah. If not, can you try now?
The woman who lives next door is a doctor.
Okay. The woman who lives the dog is a doctor. Okay, correct. And number two.
May I try?
Yeah.
The device that I broke is broken. That.
Yeah, the device the iBug is broken, or we can use the device which iBug is broken. Okay, there are two options here. And number two?
Let me try this one.
Yeah.
Okay, number 3. The boy whom I saw yesterday is my cousin.
Yeah. The boy. The boy whom I saw yesterday is my cousin. Okay. Number 4.
Can I try number 4?
Is she? Yeah, you can try now.
Hey everyone.
Okay, so
I think we have problem in our voice. It's like, what is that? It's called gema. It's not so noise. What happened?
This is mine or not? Huh? This is mine? My voice is clear or not?
Oh yeah, now
Yes,
it's clear.
clear.
Now it's clear, Alhamdulillah. We can continue.
Because in here it's raining. Yeah, Sophie, you can
raining.
try now.
okay, so number 4, the book that you recommended was amazing.
Yeah. The book that
The book that you recommended was
you
amazing.
recommended. And number 5. Yeah, you can try now.
The book. The teacher I admire. The teacher whom I admire is retiring.
Yeah, the teacher who I admire is Tara. Okay, good. Thank. And number 6. Anybody want to try again?
Number 6.
Yeah.
The artist who painted this mural is famous.
Yeah. That is correct. The artist who painted this mural is famous. Okay, number 7.
Let me try this one.
Yeah.
So the child whom I help is doing well.
I think is incorrect. Yeah, whom is correct.
Okay.
The child whom I help is doing well. Okay, thank you. And another, number 8. Yeah, you can die.
The movie which we watched was thrilling. The movie which we watched was thrilling.
Sorry, I cannot hear you clearly.
The movie which we watched was thrilling.
Okay.
The movie
Okay, good.
which we watched was thrilling. The movie which we watched was thrilling.
Yeah. Okay, good. And number 9.
Am I accurate?
Yeah.
The man whose car was stolen reported.
Yeah. The man whose car was stolen reported. And the last was 10. Anybody want to try? Selfie?
Okay, so the girl who won the contest is my friend.
Yeah. The girl who won the contest is my friend. Okay, good. So let's see the answer. So, this is the answer of exercise 1. And the next is number exercise 2. This is combining the sentence using relative pronouns. So, you can use the relative pronoun. You can give which relative pronoun that can relate with this with the sentence. Yeah.
Okay, I will try number 1.
Yeah.
The car which which is new belongs to my brother.
The
car which is new belongs to my brother.
Yeah. The car which is new belong to my brother. And number 2.
Teach maths is very nice.
Yeah. And number 3.
Okay, let me answer this one.
Yeah.
The movie that we watched last night was exciting.
Yeah, good. The movie that we watched last night is exciting. Okay, good. And number 4.
Can I try it?
Yeah.
So the girl who is my sister is playing in the garden.
Yeah. Sorry, can you repeat again? The girl?
The girl who is my sister is playing in the garden.
Incorrect. The girl who is playing in the garden is my sister. This is the answer. Okay. So the correct one is the girl who is playing in the garden is my sister. Okay, no problem. Can next maybe?
May I try?
Yeah.
The book which I borrow. It. The book which I borrow is on the table.
You less one word.
The book which I borrow it from you is on the table.
Yeah. The book which I borrow from you is on the table. Okay, good. And number 6. Yeah.
The scientist whose research is groundbreaking won an award.
Yeah. The scientist whose research is groundbreaking won award. Okay, good. And number 7. Anybody want to?
Let me try it.
Huh?
The dog which belongs to my neighbor is barking.
The dog?
Belongs to my neighbor is barking.
Which the relative pronoun?
Yes, whose?
Incorrect. Whose is just using like possession or just like here my bike or like this something like that. But the correct answer is using which. The dog which belonged to my neighbor is barking. Can you repeat again?
Okay, so the dog which belongs to my neighbor is barking.
Okay, good. Thanks. And number 8.
Yeah. The musician who played last night is talented.
Yeah. The musician who played last night is talented. And number 9.
Can I try?
Yeah, can try now.
The restaurant which we had dinner there is popular.
Yeah. That's good. And number 10. Yeah.
The man whom I met at the event is a chef.
Yeah, the man
Whom I met at the event.
yeah. The man who I met at the event is a chef. Okay. Actually, I just give 2 exercises, but the time still have like 20 minutes left. Should I give some exercise again? Issue, or can you give like maybe some suggestion or maybe like Q&A like this? Because I just have to do exercises.
Maybe we can make sentence use relative pronouns one by one. Rolling.
Okay. Okay. Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think maybe you can build your own sentence about using who, whom, whose, or that. Maybe because I just have two exercises. Maybe anyone want to try? Maybe Selfie want to try to use whose like in here. but using maybe simple present or something like this. Selfie? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, you can make your own sentence using whose, who, whom, or which, or that. You can choose one relative pronoun.
Okay, the example is she has a friend that lived in London.
Yeah, she has a friend who lives in London. Okay, thank you. And how about another? Using which or that? And yeah, yeah, you can try now.
Is it my turn?
Yeah, who? Yeah, because I cannot see the participant. Yeah, you
Okay.
can.
Yesterday, I met a grandfather. Yesterday, I met an old man who stole my phone.
Yeah, yesterday I met grandmother who stole my.
Yesterday, I met an old man who stole my phone.
Okay, yeah. And how about another? Pushing, push, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, let
Yeah,
me
you
try
can.
it. I'm going to choose which. Okay, so the sentence would be, this is the book which I borrowed from the library.
Yeah, this is the book which I borrowed in library. Okay. Okay, good. And the next using which or that? Yeah.
I will choose whom. The woman whom I meet in a restaurant is my professor.
Yeah. The one whom I met in the sun. Okay. Good job. And another? Yeah, good.
The woman
Yeah,
who's
you
the
can.
woman. Yeah,
Mm,
the woman
yeah.
whose sandwich was eaten by my cat was Yumika's.
Yes. The woman whose sandwich.
Yeah, the woman whose sandwich was eaten by my cat was Yumika.
Ah, Yumika. Where's my Yumika?
Yeah, that's why I choose her because she is not here.
Ah, okay, okay. So, thank you. Another?
May I try?
Yeah.
The book which I bought from the shop uh, is new edition.
Yeah. Good. Wow. Thanks. And how about that? Anyone want to try? Yeah, you can try now.
Okay. In my opinion, the scientist who is the smartest is Einstein. In my opinion,
Sorry?
the scientist, in my opinion, the scientist who is the smartest, is Albert Einstein. In my opinion, the scientist who
That's
is
correct.
smartest is Albert Einstein.
Okay. Okay, good. I think I should have more because I still have another exercise, so I will try to this. But wait a moment. This in Hong Kong, something like this. So because there is some kind of fishing where I think I should be skip again. Okay, but it's okay. Yeah, number one. Okay, you can continue number one. Anybody want to try? Yeah, we see. Hello. Yeah, you can try now. Hello. Can you hear me?
Ibnu, you can speak now.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Can you hear Adita speaking?
Yeah.
Speaking.
Should I answer number one?
Yeah.
Okay, I will answer number one. The woman who lives in Jakarta is my aunt.
Yeah. The one who lives in Jakarta is my. Okay, good. And number two.
I want to try number 2.
Yeah.
I met a man who can speak 5 languages.
Yeah, I met a man who can speak 5 languages. Okay, good. Number 3. Anyone? Can you see?
Okay, let me try, Adipa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Would you like to go first, Kak Yusi?
Yeah.
Sorry,
Okay,
sorry.
number
is it-
6.
How about this? That's the boy I told you about. Sorry, that's the
The
boy
boy whom I
whom I told you about.
Yeah. Good, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Can you see?
Yeah. Yeah, may I try?
Number
6.
6.
Yeah, the movie which we watched it last night was boring.
Yeah, the movie which we watched last night was boring. Okay, good. And number 7. Anyone? Nana? Or
Okay, so
Sarmila? Sarmila.
Okay, I know a place which we can relax there.
Huh? Can you repeat again?
I know a place which we can relax there. Is it wrong?
Yeah. Okay.
Which?
Okay. Okay. Good. Number 8. Nana?
she is the teacher whom the students really like.
Hmm?
She is the teacher whom the students really liked.
Sorry, I cannot hear it. Sorry.
Okay, let me repeat it. She is the teacher whom the students really liked.
Yeah, good. She is the teacher whom the student really like it. And number 9.
I will try number
Yeah.
number 9.
My at
Mm-mm.
The car
something.
that was made in Germany is expensive.
The car which made in Germany, yeah, expensive. Okay. Number 10.
How if I use that the car that was made in Germany is expensive? Is it possible?
Yeah, we can have 2 options. Which is that? The car that the car that was made in Germany is expensive, or the car which was made in Germany is expensive. So there are 2 options. And here using which or that.
Might I try number 10?
Yeah.
The singer who sang at the concert is famous.
Yeah, the singer who is famous. The singer who sang at the concert is famous. Okay, sorry. Good. And because yeah, maybe try number 12, I think, and 11. Oh, number 12. Anyone wants to try? Because 11 is I haven't teach you. Yeah. Yeah,
This
you
is
can
the
try now.
shop. This is the shop which I
Oh, no.
bought my shoes
Number
in.
11.
This is the shop which I bought my shoes in.
Oh yeah. Sorry, my connection is not really good. Okay, good. Number 12.
The man whose son is my
The last
classmate is a doctor.
Yeah. Can you repeat again?
The man whose son is my classmate is a doctor.
Yeah, the man whose son is my class. Yeah, okay, good. Okay, I think this all. Okay, because yeah, still 5 minutes. I think anyone have maybe some reflection about the lesson tonight? Okay, second. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, I have an opinion. Well, this meeting is fun. Is great so far because one thing I really like about tonight's meeting is everybody is involved. Yeah, everybody is involved and has the same chance, has the same opportunity to get in to have the same role answering questions like that. That's the best part in this tonight's meeting. And but I think you need to add some more models like